Did you know that 88% of billionaires wake up before 6 a.m.? That's right. While most of us are snoozing our alarms, the super rich are already crushing their day. Let's dive into the habits that set them apart. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're talking about billionaire habits, those secret success traits that all rich people share. Whether you're aiming for the top or just looking to improve your life, understanding these habits can help you get there. So let's jump right in. Now let's talk about a common misconception. Many people think billionaires are just lucky. They believe that success is handed to them on a silver platter. But the truth is that couldn't be further from reality. These individuals face enormous challenges, just like you and me. They encounter failures, obstacles, and setbacks. The difference? They don't let these challenges define them. Instead, they develop habits that help them navigate the tough times. So what are these habits, and how can we adopt them in our own lives? All right, let's break down some key habits shared by billionaires. First up, disciplined routines. Billionaires often have strict schedules. They know that time is their most valuable asset, so they prioritize tasks that align with their goals. For instance, Elon Musk is known for chunking his day into 5-minute blocks. Can you imagine being that organized? Next, we have lifelong learning. Billionaires understand that the world is constantly changing and they need to keep up. Warren Buffett, for example, spends about 80% of his day reading. That's insane, right? But it's what keeps him ahead of the game. And then there's strategic networking. Rich people are great at building relationships. They surround themselves with other successful individuals, creating a powerful network. Think of it like having your personal board of advisors. They know the value of collaboration and seek out partnerships that can elevate their game. Now, let's get to the most impactful habit that many billionaires attribute their success to: resilience. This is the ability to bounce back from failure. It's not just about facing challenges, but learning from them and growing stronger. Billionaires often say that their biggest failures taught them the most valuable lessons. So how can you adopt this habit? Start by reframing your failures. Instead of seeing them as setbacks, view them as stepping stones to success. Embrace the challenges, learn, and keep pushing forward. To wrap it all up, we've explored some powerful habits that billionaires share: disciplined routines, lifelong learning, strategic networking, and most importantly, resilience. These traits can lead to success no matter where you're starting from. Remember, it's not about luck, it's about the habits you cultivate. Now I want to hear from you. Which habit do you plan to adopt in your own life? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more insights on success, don't forget to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.